Jharsuguda, a vibrant city in western Odisha, pulsates with the energy of industry. Known for its bustling streets and dynamic urban life, the city is a hub of economic activity and industrial growth. The skyline is dotted with factories and power plants, symbolizing its role as a major industrial center. Yet it remains deeply intertwined with the serene beauty of nature. Amidst the industrial hustle, one can find pockets of tranquility where nature thrives. The lush greenery surrounding the industrial areas offers a refreshing contrast, creating a unique blend of urban and natural environments. This unique juxtaposition makes Jharsuguda a fascinating destination. The cityscape is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of industry and nature, where the modern and the natural world meet in a delicate balance. It is a city where the roar of factories harmonizes with the gentle whispers of the forest. The industrial plants, often surrounded by dense forests, create a symphony of sounds that reflect the city's dual character. Jharsuguda is known as the powerhouse of Odisha. This title is well earned, as the city is home to some of the largest power generation facilities in the region, contributing significantly to the state's energy needs. This nickname reflects its significant contribution to the state's industrial output. The hard-working people and advanced machinery in Jharsuguda's factories are the backbone of its industrial prowess. But Jharsuguda is not just about factories and power plants. The city is also a sanctuary for nature, where green spaces and natural sites are preserved and cherished. It is also a place where nature thrives in abundance. The forests and wildlife near the city are a testament to Jharsuguda's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. The city is blessed with cascading waterfalls, ancient caves, and lush green forests. These natural wonders are not just scenic spots, but are integral to the city's identity and charm. These natural wonders provide a soothing contrast to the bustling urban landscape. They offer residents and visitors alike a chance to escape the city's hustle and find peace in nature's embrace. Jharsuguda invites you to experience the harmony of human endeavor and nature's splendor. It is a place where you can witness the seamless integration of industrial progress and natural beauty. Come, let us discover the many facets of this remarkable city. From its industrial might to its natural wonders, Jharsuguda has something to offer everyone. Let us explore the captivating blend of industry and nature that defines Jharsuguda. This city is a living example of how human progress and environmental preservation can go hand in hand. Just a short drive from the city center, the Koilakuga waterfall awaits. Nestled in the heart of nature, this hidden gem is a sanctuary for those seeking a break from the urban hustle. The journey itself is a treat as you drive through lush forests and winding roads that gradually reveal the majestic waterfall. This breathtaking waterfall plunges from a height of 200 feet. The sheer drop creates a misty veil that shimmers in the sunlight, adding a touch of magic to the already stunning landscape. From an aerial view, the waterfall looks like a silver ribbon cascading down the rugged cliffs. The water cascades down a rocky cliff, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Each drop seems to dance as it makes its way down, splashing onto the rocks below and creating a symphony of sounds that is both powerful and soothing. The roar of the water echoes through the surrounding forest, filling the air with a constant, rhythmic sound. It's a natural orchestra where the waterfall takes center stage, accompanied by the rustling leaves and chirping birds. A symphony of nature's power. The combination of sights and sounds creates an immersive experience that captivates all your senses, making you feel truly connected to the natural world. The waterfall's name, Koilakuga, translates to roar of a cuckoo. This name is a nod to the local folklore and the rich biodiversity of the area, where the calls of various birds add to the enchanting atmosphere. Legend has it that cuckoos would flock to the waterfall during monsoon season. Their presence was so prominent that the locals named the waterfall after their distinctive calls, which could be heard echoing through the forest. Their melodious calls filled the air, blending with the sound of the cascading water. This harmonious blend of bird songs and the waterfall's roar creates a unique soundscape that is both calming and invigorating. Today, Koilakuga Waterfall is a popular picnic spot. Families and friends gather here to enjoy the natural beauty, share meals, and create lasting memories. The area is well maintained, ensuring that visitors can relax and enjoy their time in a pristine environment. Visitors come to admire the waterfall's beauty and enjoy the tranquility of the surrounding forest. It's a perfect spot for photography enthusiasts, nature lovers, and anyone looking to escape the daily grind. The site also holds religious significance. Many visitors come not just for the natural beauty, but also to seek spiritual solace. A temple dedicated to goddess Sita from the epic Ramayana sits atop the waterfall. This sacred site adds a layer of cultural richness to the experience, making it a place of both natural and spiritual significance. Jharsuguda waterfall is a testament to Jharsuguda's natural beauty. The lush greenery, the cascading water and the serene atmosphere make it a must-visit destination for anyone traveling through the region. It is a place where you can reconnect with nature and find peace amidst the city's hustle. Whether you're meditating by the water, exploring the forest trails, or simply sitting and soaking in the view, Jharsuguda waterfall offers a rejuvenating escape from everyday life. Venture a little further from the bustling city, and you will discover the hidden gem that is Vikramkol Cave. Carved meticulously into the side of a hill, this ancient cave holds immense historical and archaeological significance, drawing researchers and history enthusiasts alike. It is believed to date back to the prehistoric era, offering a rare glimpse into the lives of our ancient ancestors. The cave walls are adorned with ancient rock paintings and inscriptions, each telling a story of a time long past. These markings, etched with care and precision, hint at the lives, beliefs and practices of the cave's early inhabitants, providing invaluable insights into their world. Vikramkol Cave is also steeped in local legends and folklore, adding a layer of mystique to its historical importance. According to local folklore, the cave once served as a refuge for the legendary King Vikramaditya, a ruler celebrated for his wisdom and justice. King Vikramaditya's association with the cave adds a rich tapestry of stories and legends, making it a site of both historical and cultural significance. Intriguingly, the cave is said to be connected to another cave in Rajasthan, suggesting a network of ancient pathways and hidden routes. Today, Vikramkol Cave is a protected site, ensuring its preservation for future generations to study and appreciate. It offers a fascinating glimpse into the past, inviting visitors to step back in time and explore the rich history embedded in its walls. As you delve into the cave's depths, you unravel the mysteries of a bygone era, experiencing the wonder and intrigue that has captivated explorers for centuries. Jharsuguda is blessed with an abundance of forests. These verdant landscapes provide a sanctuary for a wide variety of flora and fauna. The forests are predominantly tropical, dry, deciduous forests. They're characterized by trees that shed their leaves during the dry season. Sal trees dominate the landscape, their tall, straight trunks reaching for the sky. Other tree species found in these forests include teak, bamboo, and mahua. The forest floor is carpeted with a variety of shrubs, herbs, and grasses. These forests are not just a visual treat. They play a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of the region. They act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They also help regulate the water cycle, preventing soil erosion. Section 5. Where nature nurtures diverse wildlife. The forests around Jharsuguda teem with diverse wildlife. These forests provide shelter and sustenance to a variety of mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects. Tigers, leopards, and elephants are some of the flagship species found here. The forests echo with the calls of numerous bird species. Keep an eye out for colorful kingfishers, woodpeckers, and parakeets. Bird watchers will find themselves enthralled by the avian diversity. Reptiles, including snakes, lizards, and turtles, also find refuge in these forests. The forest floor conceals a myriad of insects, each playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. Section 6. Cultural harmony, tribes, festivals, and ancient temples. Jharsuguda is a melting pot of cultures. The city is home to various tribal communities, each with its unique traditions and customs. The indigenous tribes have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. They have preserved their ancient rituals and beliefs. Festivals play an integral part in the cultural landscape of Jharsuguda. The most popular festival is Nuakhai. This harvest festival celebrates the first harvest of the year. People express gratitude for nature's bounty and seek blessings for a prosperous year ahead. Jharsuguda is also home to several ancient temples. These temples are not only places of worship, but also architectural marvels. The intricate carvings and sculptures on the temple walls speak volumes about the craftsmanship of the bygone era. Section 7. The industrial heartbeat of Odisha. Jharsuguda is aptly called the powerhouse of Odisha. The city houses several thermal power plants, which contribute significantly to the state's power generation capacity. These power plants are vital for fueling Odisha's industrial growth. Apart from power generation, Jharsuguda has also emerged as a hub for other industries. These include aluminum, steel, and cement. The city's industrial growth has created numerous employment opportunities, attracting people from different parts of the state. Jharsuguda's industrial landscape reflects the city's contribution to Odisha's economic progress. The city stands as a testament to the state's growth and development. Section 8, Jharsuguda, well-connected and easily accessible. Jharsuguda is well-connected to other parts of Odisha and India. The city has its airport via Surendra Sai Airport. It connects Jharsuguda to major cities like Delhi, Kolkata, and Bhubaneswar. The city is also well-connected by rail. Jharsuguda railway station is a major railway junction on the Tatanagar-Bilaspur line. Several trains connect Jharsuguda to major cities across India. A network of national highways and state highways passes through Jharsuguda. These roads provide seamless connectivity to neighboring districts and states. The well-developed transportation network makes Jharsuguda easily accessible for both business and leisure travelers. To Section 9, Jharsuguda, a symphony of contrasts. Jharsuguda is a city of fascinating contrasts. It is a place where the rhythmic hum of industries blends with the soothing sounds of nature, where towering chimneys coexist with cascading waterfalls, and where ancient traditions thrive amidst modern developments. This unique blend of industry and nature, tradition and modernity makes Jharsuguda a compelling destination. Whether you are a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or an industry aficionado, Jharsuguda has something to offer everyone. Come experience the vibrant spirit of Jharsuguda. Explore its hidden gems. Discover the harmonious coexistence of nature and industry that defines this remarkable city.